So right here we have number theory. So a little bit of number theory. I don't know number theory. I was doing this Coursera video over here. I think I was doing it on live a few, maybe the live from yesterday or two ago. I was doing it. I didn't understand a single thing this guy was saying. I was trying to, how sometimes when you're studying something, like I was trying to connect just to grab onto something. I I was like, bro, I don't understand a single thing he's talking about. was trying to I was trying to grab onto anything that's like coding, but there's some math to it. So I was trying to understand some math to it. And I was like, bro, I don't. If it's math, I don't understand it. If it's coding, like he's not even talking about coding. He was talking it in a weird way. And then sometimes, what I don't understand is sometimes when it's like talked professionally, I don't understand it. Because I learned off of YouTube. So YouTube, like it's like me. Like I'm not really that professional. Like people just talk to you in plain language or like everyday language, right? But when it's like school language, they use like words, they use like long words, and I'm just like, bro, what does that mean? And so, anyways, there's a link right here in Coursera. There's two resources. First off, there's the resource of the book for this one, which I am gonna read after I'm done with the other resource. The second resource is, did it just exit out of it? Annoying as hell. So I have it right here. I have the. Did I just exit out of it? Hold on. Wait, could I? Could I go to history and just reopen it? History. History. Oh, there it is. It's a PDF. PDF. Okay. PDF. Um, okay, I was on page 50. And what was I saying? Page 50. The division algorithm. I think I passed this one, right? Yeah, I think I passed this one. I was on page 51. Let me fix that real quick before I close it again. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying, but I'm on here. I'm learning about symbols, like math symbols, like big O notation. I think it's part of the. It's like notes. It's not a. It is 300 pages, but it's not a book. It's notes. I don't know who takes 300 pages of notes, but I think it's notes throughout a whole course. That's what it is. I think it's per chapter. It's like they took notes, or I don't know, but it says it's notes, mathematics in computer science. Yeah, so they mentioned mod. I know modulus in computer science in like the modulus here, but I don't know what it means up here in this annotation. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna go into that. Then I'm gonna go after that. I'm gonna read it. And yeah, we'll go from there. This one's talking about. This one's Gauss. Oh, it was talking about Alan Turing, but just moved on to. I've heard of him pretty often. There's a Gauss. I don't know how you say his name, but he has an algorithm, I think. and a bunch of other things. He's mentioned it a lot. Hey, so modulo. Did it explain what modulo was or no? What's it gonna do it here? This is a denoted mod C. 2915 mod 7. 20. What is that? 15. 9. So from 20 to 9 is 9 and. So I don't know this one. 7 is 29. 29 minus 15, which gives us, yeah, it's 14, right? Yeah. 9 and 5. And then 5, 14. 14 is a multiple of 7. That's what this is. I think it's a multiple. I think it uses it up here somewhere. Multiple. I'm not here to teach it though. I'm learning, bro. So whoever's watching, just learn with me. I'm not here to teach it. I don't know it like that. Okay, so the symbol is like an equal sign. Is it like strong equals or what is that? Equal ish. Hmm? I remember vaguely reading somewhere that this is calculus. Um, yes, I think it's part of calculus, and I'm not. I just started learning calculus. Um, so the book that I'm reading about calculus, it's just going over pre-calculus. I'm on like chapter 1, so I just started calculus, and so I don't know where modulo comes in. I'm assuming it comes in like later because I don't know what it is. And anything pre-calculus and under, I've heard of it, never used it. So this is like full on calculus. Not there yet. So I'm kind of learning it from this perspective, not learning it from, you know, from calculus. Usually when you do computer science, You take your basis, your calculus class, and then you take your computer science courses, something like that. Take like your prerequisites. So so is that what that means? Congruent modulus 7. So modulus 7, modulus 7, because both leave a remainder of 6 when divided by 13. So modulus 15 divided by 7 is, it gives me a remainder of 6, no, 1. And then this one gives me a remainder of 1 as well. Because it's 28. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 14. Oh, is that what it is? It's probably what it is, huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. 1. It's 1 off of a multiple of 7. Both of them. Just like it says here, congruent. When you divide this one by 13, which 13 times 2 is 26. So yeah, 6. 13 itself is, yep, 6. 3 to 9 is 6. So both of them are 6 off. So that's looks like that's what it is. So then this rem, a rem c, a rem c, 19 rem c, 19 rem. Is that what it is? Remainder 13. 32 remainder 13.